Let big old crappie go. Here you go, buddy. Coming for you, crappie. I hope you're under there, because it's been a while since I caught you guys out of this place. The last few times I've been trying for crappie out here, but I haven't been catching them. That point's not doing it for us no more. Right, finally catch a crappie under the crappie dock. Nice crappie, dude. Look at that. On the gold trout magnet. Let big old crappie go. Here you go, buddy. Peace. Under that dock. They get way under that dock. But we did. We got way under that dock. So let's see if we can do that again. That was cool. On the trout magnet. Yeah, man, so it feels good to catch some crappie. If I could just make the good cast. Come on, let's get him. Yeah, that's the cast we all want. Yes, I can. No, I can't. There we go. Oh, there he is. There we go, another one. There we go. Yeah, babe. Oh, he got off.